everyone, my name is Alua and today I'm going to introduce to you my research topic, motivation of freshmen and senior TFL students of being a teacher. This presentation consists of the purpose of the research, significance, research questions, participants, research methods and instruments, literature review, results and findings, and finally conclusion. The purpose of the research is to find out the main factors contributed to TFL students entering their specialty and to identify to what extent freshmen and senior TFL students differ in their motivation of being a teacher. According to reliable statistics, in Kazakhstan, manually most applicants choose teaching specialty. However, we still have the problem of teacher shortage in our country. So some experts claim that a fairly large number of graduates are not employed by their profession. And knowing the main factors that move students to choose teaching specialty can help to find out some solutions for the problem. And moreover, this research will investigate if the motivational level can change in terms of the year of studying. So I have two research questions. First is what are the main factors contributed to TFL students to become a teacher? And second, to what extent freshman and senior students' motivation differ? The participants are first and final year 2 foreign language students of ESDU. Overall, 65 students participated and 39 of them were freshmen and 26 senior students. The research method is mixed. That means it consists of both qualitative and quantitative data. For data collection, I use two types of instruments. First is questionnaire and second interview. The questionnaire consists of some demographical questions, Likert scale, which was based on Watts and Richardson's FIT choice framework, and it has 21 items which indicated motivational factors, and the last one open-ended question. And overall, 4 people were interviewed individually and asked 7 semi-structured questions. The most significant research in this field has been conducted by Richardson and Watt in 2006. They have created the FIT choice framework model to guide their studies of factors affecting pre-service teachers' motivation to teach. And then this model has been used by other scientists. In general, there are highlighted 3 main categories of the motivation: extrinsic, intrinsic, and altruistic. Intrinsically motivated teachers tend to have an interest in the job itself, while extrinsic motivation means the interest related to the benefits of the job. And altruistic motivation means the seeing of a teaching profession as a worldwide important job and the feeling of a desire to help people. In the last 2 decades, there have been conducted different research in this field, and overall experts discovered that developed countries such as Australia and Germany are more intrinsically motivated, while developing countries such as Turkey and Indonesia are more extrinsically motivated. The present study has investigated that the main reasons of applying for an ELT profession are opportunity for linguistic development, loving English language itself, and linguistic status of the English language. So it means that students are interested more in English language itself rather than teaching. The unexpected result was that the lowest rate indicated not wanting to be a teacher at all. Moreover, even though some students didn't want to be a teacher in the beginning of their studies, after getting some knowledge and having specific subjects and experience, they have slightly changed their minds. and also the majority of students were inspired by university teachers. They like their creativity and their techniques of teaching. In addition, students like the idea of working with people and shaping the future of the children. This study has investigated three factors that have the highest rate of difference between freshmen and senior students. The first two are teaching experience and intrinsic career value. These can be easily explained by the fact that senior students are more experienced and they have already tried teaching. That's why they are confident in their choice of career. And the last one is job transferability. Here, since freshman students are less experienced and they are not confident enough in their choice, they believe to find another job after graduation. This study has its own limitation in the face of sample size. Actually, in order to gain more precise data, more participants are needed, and ideally I expected that more than 100 students from both of target groups will be participating. However, it's supposed that this idea can be implemented by the help of administration. So this study has summarized that ELT per-service teachers of SDU are more extrinsically motivated, followed by altruistic and intrinsic motivation. Moreover, motivation could be changed during their studies as they got more knowledge and become more experienced in this field. Therefore, final year students are more intrinsically motivated to teach rather than freshman students. Thank you for attention.